Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have two children that like to draw, and we really needed something where they could take all their drawing supplies on the go, and we love these BTSKY portable portfolios. This has so many different compartments and storage options, two zipper compartments, which I really appreciate. It keeps everything safe and secure, especially markers, they're not falling out. My kids prefer copy paper to draw on, so we put lots of copy paper in here, even activity books, stickers, but there's enough compartments too where they can sort their different drawing supplies like pens, pencils, markers. They each have their own place to go, so my kids know exactly where each writing utensil is when they need it. I also love that there's a handle on the end, so it's easy for them to carry these on the go. We have had these for a long time. We love them so much. We have 3 different colors. They have held up incredibly well. It really just keeps everything organized and makes taking it on the go so easy. But that's just my point of view.